Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our lesson for today is about um, grade 11 General Mathematics, Measurement and Geometry, Quarter 2, and Lesson number 6. It's about solving real-life problems through currency conversion. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to define currency and exchange rate, explain the currency, the importance of currency conversion in real life context. That is knowledge. Solve problems involving currency conversion using given exchange rates, perform conversions between local and foreign currencies, apply conversion skills in multi-step, real-life world problems. And that is the skills. For attitudes or values, appreciate the role of mathematics in financial literacy and global transactions. Develop confidence in handling real-life problems involving money management. In today's globalized world, people often need to convert money from one currency to another. This happens when traveling abroad, buying goods online from another country, receiving remittances, or engaging in international trade. Currency conversion uses exchange rates which specify how much one unit of a currency is worth in another. For example, if $1 is equal to 56 Philippine pesos, then to convert $10 to Philippine pesos, multiply 10 with 56, so you got 560 PHP. And then, to convert 1,120 pesos to US dollar, you need to divide it. So 1,120 divided by 56 pesos equal to 20 US dollars. Key concepts: currency, the system of money used in a country. US dollar, Philippine pesos, European money, and Japanese yen. Exchange rate, the value of one currency compared to another. For example, $1 is equal to 56 pesos. Conversion, of course, is dependent on time. Sometimes it is increasing, sometimes it is decreasing. Number 3, conversion formula from foreign to local currency. So local currency is equal to foreign currency times exchange rate. Local to foreign currency. So you have foreign currency, you have local currency divided by the exchange rate. Real-life applications, international travel, online shopping, overseas remittances, global business transactions. Number 1, converting to local currency. Anna received 100 US dollars from her aunt abroad. If the exchange rate is 1 US dollar is equal to 56 PHP, how many pesos will she get? So solution, 100 times 56, you have 5,600 pesos. Number 2, converting to foreign currency. Juan wants to buy an item online worth 8,400 Philippine pesos. If 1 US dollar is 56 PHP, how many US dollars should he pay? Solution, 8,400 divided by 56 is equal to 150 US dollars. Multi-currency conversion. Maria is traveling from the Philippines to Europe. She has 11,200 pesos. First, she converts it to US dollar. At 1 US dollar is equals to 56 Philippine pesos. Then 2 euros at 1 US dollar is equal to 0.9 euros. How many euros will she have? Solution, step 1, 11,200 divided by 56. So you have 200 US dollars. So step 2, $200 times 0.9 is equal to 180 euros. Currency conversion is a practical application of mathematics that connects learning to real-world situations. By mastering conversion formulas and applying them in different contexts, learners gain essential financial skills useful for travel, shopping, and international trade. Practice problems for quarter 2, a measurement and geometry. Lesson number 6, solving real problems, real life problems through currency conversion. Given exchange rates, use unless otherwise stated. 1 US dollar, 56 pesos. 1 euro is equals to 1.1 US dollar. And 1 Japanese yen equal to 0.38 pesos. Convert number 1. Convert 50 US dollar to Philippine peso. So given 50 US dollar. Required the amount in pesos. So solution, $50 times 56 Philippine pesos over 1 US dollar. So you have 50 times 56, canceling US dollar, you have 2,800 pesos as your final answer. Number 2, how many US dollars is 11,200 pesos? So we're given 11,200 pesos, required amount in US dollars. So solution, 11,200 pesos times 1 US dollar over 56 PHP. So you have 11,200 divided by 56, and then you will have 200 US dollars. Number 3, a toy costs 3,360 Philippine pesos. How much is this in US dollar? So we're given 3,360 Philippine pesos. Required amount in US dollars. Solution, 3,360 pesos times 1 US dollar is equals to 56 Philippine pesos. So, 3,360 divided by 56 is 60 US dollar. Next, number 4. Maria received 150 US dollars from abroad. How many pesos will she get? Given 150 US dollars. Required amount in Philippine pesos. Solution, 150 US dollars times 56 pesos over 1 US dollar. So you have 150 times 56. The final answer is 8,400 pesos. Practice problem number 5. A traveler has 28,000 Philippine pesos. How much is this in US dollar? So given 28,000 Philippine pesos, required amount in US dollars. Solution, 28,000 Philippine pesos times 1 US dollar over 56 Philippine pesos. So you have 28,000 divided by 56. So the final answer is 500 US dollar. Practice problem number 6. One bought a bag online for 100 US dollars. How much did it cost him in pesos? Given 100 US dollars. Required amount in Philippine pesos. So solution, 100 US dollars times 56 Philippine pesos over 1 US dollar is equal to 100 times 56 Philippine pesos. So the final answer is 5,600 pesos. Number 7. Anna wants to buy shoes priced at 4,480 Philippine pesos. How many US dollars should she pay? Given 4,480 pesos, required amount in US dollars. So solution, 4,480 Philippine pesos times 1 US dollar over 56 pesos. So you have 4,480 over 56. So the answer is 80 US dollars. Number 8. A tourist exchanged 20,000 pesos into US dollars. How many dollars did he receive? So given 20,000 Philippine pesos, required amount in US dollars. Solution, 20,000 Philippine pesos times 1 US dollar over 56 Philippine pesos. Cancel the Philippine pesos. So you have 20,000 over 56 US dollar. The final answer now is 357 peso ay $357 and 14 cents. Number 9. A book costs 25 US dollars. How many pesos is the book worth? Given 25 US dollars. Required amount in Philippine pesos. Solution, 25 US dollars times 56 Philippine pesos over 1 US dollar. Cancel the US dollar, so you have 25 times 56. The final answer is 1,400 pesos. We will have the next part of our Quarter 2 Measurement and Geometry lesson number 6.